blanket of foil. Look at that. There's two ways we can apply the foil to the nail. We can apply it to the sticky layer of gel that is left after you cured the gel in the lamp. We can apply some nail foil glue, or we can apply some gel nail foil glue, which is what I'm going to use because I found that it just has the best transfer when I use this. So let's do it. What it is, it's a clear gel that you apply to the nail. Try to get it pretty even, a good coat across. Then you cure this in the lamp. I'm going to cure it in the lamp off camera. And it is sticky once it's cured. I cured it in the lamp so it's sticky. So we will apply the foil now. And when you put it down, you got to be kind of careful so it doesn't wrinkle. But if it does wrinkle and it won't transfer, you can apply more gel glue to the nail, cure it, and then you can do it again. I tend to always get crinkles and stuff in it because I don't have one of those like silicone things that they really like push out all of the crinkles with. I did have one, but I don't know what happened to it, so I'm just using my finger. But like I said, you could apply more gel glue and do it again. Sometimes I'm okay with the crinkles because it kind of gives you a shattered look, and I like that. Just did that with my nails, but if you want a full transfer, you gotta be really careful and try your best to get out all the crinkles. It should be there, and there we are. It also helps to apply a base color that's almost the same color as the foil, and it kind of hides it too. I'm going to apply a little more glue because I don't like how it didn't transfer up here, so I'm going to apply a little more glue where I want more foil to be. And now I'm going to cure that in the lamp. Alright, I cured that in the lamp. It is sticky round too. I don't know about you, but that looks like a gift wrap. To finish off this foiled look, I think we should add a bow because it's like a present, you know? So I think we need a bow. I'm going to take some gel glue. I'll just apply a little in the center where I want the bow to be. Usually with gel glue too, it's a little thicker so it doesn't move around too much. But you can also use rhinestone glue too, and that will hold it into place. But for me, I don't use rhinestone glue, I just use gel glue. So when I have it placed, I'm going to go ahead and cure it under the lamp. And since it's a charm, I'm going to cure it on the lamp for 10 seconds. Then I'm going to kind of flip it to the side to cure that gel right there, kind of on the underside, for 10 seconds as well. I can't show you because my lamp's off camera over here. Then I'm going to apply a little more of that gel glue to the center of the bow, because this particular bow has an indentation right here, and I think it would be perfect for rhinestones. So I'm just going to put a little drop in there. Now I'm going to place it in there. The rhinestone feels like a glove. Alright, now I'm going to cure that in the lamp. Now that the bow is fully done, I'm going to go ahead and add a top coat. Top coats are really important when you apply foil. So you want to make sure that you really seal it in with a nice thick top coat. And for me, I always do 2 coats of top coat. So go ahead and even out the top coat before I cure it in the lamp by flipping the nail over. And now I'm going to cure it in the lamp.